Hello everyone, would you believe that 2 tablespoons of tiny seeds could change your life? The chia seeds I'm introducing today are far more than just a health food. These small seeds, which Aztec warriors always carried before battle, hide incredible secrets uncovered by modern medicine. Studies by leading researchers worldwide have revealed astonishing changes in people who consistently consumed chia seeds. So what exactly are chia seeds? They're the seeds of the Salvia hispanica plant, native to Mexico and Guatemala. Did you know that the word chia means strength in the Mayan language? The Aztec warriors believed that a single spoonful of these seeds gave them tireless energy for battle. But the real surprise starts here. Modern science has revealed the nutritional profile of chia seeds, proving the Aztecs' belief was no myth. Chia seeds are packed with minerals like calcium, iron, and potassium. They're especially rich in ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, earning them recognition as one of the best plant-based omega-3 sources. But that's just the beginning. The true power of chia seeds lies in the remarkable changes they bring to our bodies. Let's explore these transformations one by one. First, do you know why your diets fail? It's often due to appetite. But chia seeds have an amazing ability to naturally suppress it. When soaked in water, chia seeds can expand up to 10 to 12 times their size. Imagine that in your stomach, this expansion creates a feeling of fullness, naturally reducing your food intake. Multiple studies have suggested that chia seed consumption may support weight loss. Second, let's talk about blood sugar management. This is great news for diabetics or those worried about blood sugar. The abundant dietary fiber in chia seeds slows the absorption of carbohydrates, preventing blood sugar spikes. One study reported that consuming chia seeds with meals helped suppress post-meal blood sugar rises. Third is heart health. Did you know that heart disease ranks high among causes of death in Korea? The plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, ALA in chia seeds may support heart health. Various studies have indicated that omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Fourth, here's a surprising fact about bone health. We usually think of milk or calcium supplements for bones, right? But chia seeds offer a comprehensive boost with calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and protein, all essential for maintaining healthy bones. Fifth is digestive health. Constipation is a common issue for many today, and chia seeds are rich in dietary fiber. This fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, improving gut health and helping prevent constipation. Sixth, let's discuss their antioxidant effects. Chia seeds are loaded with vitamin E, selenium, and flavonoids, which remove free radicals from our bodies. These antioxidants may help prevent aging and boost immunity. Seventh, they enhance energy levels. This is the incredible energy the Aztec warriors experienced. Chia seeds provide a balanced mix of carbohydrates, protein, and fats, making them a sustained energy source. They're especially popular among athletes as a natural energy booster. Eighth, they serve as a protein source. Chia seeds offer an excellent amino acid profile among plant-based foods, containing about 16 to 17 grams of protein per 100 grams, making them a great option for vegans and vegetarians. But here's a critical question. How should you eat these amazing chia seeds? The recommended daily intake for adults is 1 to 2 tablespoons, or about 15 to 30 grams. If you're new to them, start with a small amount. The simplest way is to soak them in water or milk. After 15-20 minutes, they turn into a gel-like texture. Add honey or fruit for a delicious treat. You can also mix them into smoothies, top yogurt with them, or sprinkle them on salads. However, there are precautions. Chia seeds absorb a lot of water, so always consume them with plenty of liquid. Without enough water, they can expand in your esophagus or stomach, causing discomfort. If you're on blood-thinning medications, consult your doctor before use. When buying chia seeds, check for organic certification, clear origin, and proper sealing. Rich in omega-3, they can oxidize if exposed to air. Lastly, here's a tip to maximize their benefits. Grinding chia seeds can enhance the absorption of some nutrients, But since ground seeds oxidize quickly, grind them just before eating. So what do you think of chia seeds after today's discussion? Isn't it amazing that this small seed, cherished by Aztec warriors, still offers powerful health benefits to us today? For a healthy life, it seems less about seeking something extraordinary and more about utilizing nature's gifts wisely. Chia seeds could be the starting point for your healthy transformation. Why not begin a new health journey with chia seeds tomorrow? You're sure to feel the difference in your body. If this video helped, please subscribe. Have a healthy day!